Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace mini Cooper brake light bulb, only ways. Remove the trunk trim access panel, locate the brake light socket, and twist it counterclockwise to release. Pull the old bulb straight out, inspect the socket for corrosion, and insert the new bulb until it seats securely. Test the light, reassemble the trim, and reconnect the battery to confirm proper operation before finishing. Start warm and relaxed. Set tools in reach and clear the trunk area for easy access while I guide you step by step. Always wear gloves, keep a clean cloth nearby, and have the replacement bulb and a trim tool ready. Work methodically so you avoid breaking clips or stripping screws. If you run into resistance, stop and reassess to prevent damage to the lens or socket. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like because it really helps. Quick recommendation. Use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep small bulbs, screws, and clips organized while you work. They seal tight and make cleanup easier. I find they prevent lost parts and make repair sessions less messy, plus they stack neatly in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these clear steps while I narrate. Remove the access panel gently, locate and twist the socket to release, then extract the bulb. Inspect socket contacts and clean if needed with a small brush or contact cleaner. Insert the new bulb straight in, secure the socket with a clockwise twist, and replace the trim. Finish by testing the brake light to ensure a crisp, reliable illumination before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.